Are you looking for the smallest absolute safety multi-turn encoder for mobile machines in the world? Then I have here the solution to your problem. Welcome to SICO. My name is Matthias Roth. I'm the manager of the business unit Mobile Automation. And today I want to show you our new absolute safety multi-turn encoders for mobile machines. The WE3600MR with solid shaft and the WH3600MR with hollow shaft. Automated functions in mobile machines have become an important part of the market. It not only increases productivity of the machine and support the driver, but above all, it increases safety. To implement an autonomous or automated function into a mobile machine, safe sensors are always necessary. This becomes a challenge, especially in applications where nearly no installation space is available. With our new absolute safety multi-turn encoders for mobile machines, the WE3600MR and the WH3600MR, we're presenting the most compact solutions for mobile machines. With that small size and the diameter of only 36 mm, these two encoders are unique in that market. The SEAL2 and PLD certified absolute magnetic encoders provide safe speed and safe position information. Thanks to the mechatronic multi-turn system, these two encoders can do that over a measuring range of up to 65,536 revolutions, so 16-bit. And of course, we do not use a battery there. That means that these two rotary encoders can work maintenance-free over years, even under extreme low temperatures. Both encoders are based on our pure mobile sensor platform. That means that these encoders are developed with a 100% focus to being used on mobile machines. And these guarantee robustness and durability. The high shock and vibration resistance, the E1 certification according to the UN ECER 10, high shaft loads up to 200 Newton, or the protection category of IP67 and optional IP6K 9K are just some of the robust features of these two new encoders. For the communication, we have the CANopen safety interface and the SAE J1939 safety interface available. Both encoders are available with the M12 connector or with a cable outlet. Besides these, we also have a Deutsch or AMP SuperSeal connector available. The electrical connection can be ordered radial or in an axial version. Over the link in the video description, you will find more information about our new absolute safe multi-turn encoder for mobile machines. I would be really happy if you would have further interest in this product. Please contact me for a test sample or if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.